Can you download apps on a Vizio Smart TV? No, Vizio Smart TVs do not allow users to download and install apps like Android TV or Roku-based TVs. Instead, they use a built-in SmartCast platform, which comes with pre-installed apps that cannot be removed or added manually. However, users can still access additional apps through screen mirroring, casting, or streaming devices. 1. How apps work on Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio Smart TVs operate on SmartCast, which means apps are preloaded and updated automatically by Vizio. Users cannot manually download, install, or delete apps like on other smart TVs. The available apps include Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and more, depending on the model and region. 2. Alternative ways to access more apps on Vizio TV. Step 1. Use built-in casting. Vizio SmartCast supports Google Chromecast and Apple AirPlay, allowing users to cast apps from their smartphones or tablets to the TV. Step 2. Use external streaming devices. Connecting a Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast allows access to a larger app selection. Step 3. Use a gaming console. Devices like PlayStation and Xbox can be used to download and stream additional apps. Step 4. Screen mirroring. iPhone and Android users can mirror their screen to Vizio TVs using AirPlay or Chromecast to access apps not available on SmartCast. 3. Checking available apps on Vizio SmartCast. To see which apps are pre-installed, press the V button or Home button on the Vizio remote. Browse through the available SmartCast apps in the app row. Apps update automatically, so there is no need to download or install updates manually. 4. Using streaming devices for more app choices. Since Vizio Smart TVs do not allow app downloads, adding a Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast significantly expands app choices. These devices offer access to thousands of apps, including those not available on Vizio SmartCast. 5. Troubleshooting app issues on Vizio Smart TV. If an app is not working properly, restart the TV and check the internet connection. Update the TV firmware by going to Settings, then System, then check for updates. Reset the TV to factory settings if apps fail to load or crash frequently. Vizio Smart TVs do not support downloading or manually adding apps, but users can still access a wide range of content through built-in SmartCast apps, casting, and external streaming devices. Using Chromecast, AirPlay, or a streaming device provides the best experience for accessing more apps.